Nuffy leave it alone. Because I not help you. You help people, but they not help you. And a lot of people use me. A lot of people use me. I'm really hurt over it. I mean, I go on, that is not true. A lot of people use me in enough ways. A lot of promises. We do a lot of things for enough people. I may never achieve nothing out of it. I tell you the truth. I really feel a way for now, say me do this and things that are going to be successful to me, for help people. My mother always warned me. She always warned me when me just start out with me and Gandhi, and the thing say I was just doing this for love. You know what I mean? Because I love it. My aim is to always want to help people. You understand? So it's not like me really do this when you hear me say something, I'm do something. I don't mean nothing, I just do it. Because I love it. She see where me help Spice. She see where me help Gandhi. She see where me do for a lot of people. And the only person I always try to look and say, if you help me out towards it differently. From a leng and a everyday. Different from them is a Vibes Cartel. So it kind of grieves me if you see where I'm there. We understand the whole situation, but me never do that much for him. But me know say starting out on the TV from that time to come now, I mean know say my motivation make him step forward and say him can do something, because me that promote Gandhi a lot. You know what I mean? I mean know my loyal fans them around. Me never call it fans, real people. You know? I wasn't this type of person. It's what people do to me. Make me kind of sound vile sometimes and want the things where I never did want to say or do. You understand? So, I give a person